Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, mag-unbox tag speed push machine na pakit. Na guys, speed push machine. Kadali lang guys. Okay. Wow guys, color pink. Wow guys. Kadali lang guys ha. So guys, nag-include po ni siyag screwdriver para sa mga battery. Kung expired na guba, yablin na jog alis dagbag og battery. So guys, asa ni tago until kit unis ang manghud. Labayan na. Guys, awa nindot ang tanawon. Wow. Nindot lagi siya na dua guys. So bye guys. Bye guys. See you tomorrow.